In this video, we're going to change the language from reading left to right to left. Some countries have their languages set up that way, such as Arabic, Hebrew, Farsi, and Kurdish are some that come to mind that do that. So in order to do that, you're on your main page here, your summary page. Click summary if you're not there. Scroll down to the bottom. Click English, the English tab. Come down here and you can hover over these, figure out which one's what. And you come and find, you have Hebrew here, so let's just do Hebrew. And now you'll see the language has changed. It's going from right to left instead of left to right. If I go back to English, it's left to right now. If I go to Arabic, it's right to left. Again, back to English. And that's how you change the languages to read left to right and right to left. And that's really all there is to it. If this has helped you, how about leaving a like, subscribe, leave a comment below. It will really help this channel, and it costs you nothing. And I thank you in advance. You have a good day.